So let's box one of the most expensive boxes that I do unbox on this channel. And this is called the Cohorted Box. This comes from the UK, so it comes across the pond. So if you want to see what's inside, here are my thoughts and opinions. And is it worth the money? Then keep on watching. Alright, if you are wondering what is on my eyes, I am wearing Makeup Geek. Now let's just be real. Makeup Geek does not know who I am. Marlena still does not know that I exist. So this is my real review on these.
Shut up and get to the point.
Do you guys remember when she was doing like the $10 grab bags and stuff? And we got all those eyeshadows and then we got these. So that's what I've been using. So I know she was getting rid of the circle ones because she started doing the square ones.
Just say it.
And I just put these in here, you know. And so I used all these colors here. And then I used this on my eye, like for my shimmer shade. And then I went in here with this dark brown to deepen it up. And then this palette here, I use this to set my eye, you know? But I love Makeup Geek shadows. Like, she doesn't get enough credit. Alright, so let's get into the Cohorted Box.
It's about damn time.
Now, like I said, this is a little bit more expensive. I'll leave everything on the screen because I always forget, like, because everything comes in pounds. So I always say it's $50, but like I said, I'll list everything on the screen. Anywho, I do have a code. It's just Ann in all caps. Saves you some money. I don't make anything out of it. It's just for you guys. However, with this box, a lot of times they curate with a brand, and this is a monthly subscription, but a lot of times they curate with a different brand. They already curated with Ofra, with Laura Geller, with NARS. I can't remember off the top of my head. Do you know what I mean? So you do get really great things in these boxes. Last month it was the company called OWOW. WOW, and it was all hair products, you know, so that's definitely nice. Oh, this is nice. So the month of October is also breast cancer awareness. So I like that they have this package and it says Think Pink. Ooh, that's nice. It says in support of breast cancer awareness. All right. My aunt a few years ago, she would get her mammograms every year. And then one year, she just didn't do it. So she went the following year, and guess what happened? When they did a mammogram, she had breast cancer. So she was only stage 1 very early and was able to just do the radiation and stuff, and she's fine. But if she would have, you know, not skipped that 1 year, they could have called it even earlier, you know. So it's good that she did go. Always get checked, especially if it runs in your family. It does run in my family, so I started going when I was in my 30s. I do a mammogram every year. Okay, so just slide this out, and that's what the box usually looks like. All right, it says check your tits. So, you know, in America, you know, we don't say, you know, say boobs or whatever. So maybe they say that. I don't know. But there's pictures. Okay, that's funny. And then right on the back tells you step 1, step 2, step 3. Alrighty. So that's what it looks like. It comes, you know, the little sticker. Alright, so for the month of October, the total value is £289.95. And so this month, they did not curate with a certain brand. You get all different brands. Which, thank you, Cohorted Box, because last month, do you guys remember, you used to get a brochure, but then it just came with this, and then you had a little scan me. And I was so confused, like literally almost 15 to 20 minutes. I had to edit out that video because I was looking. I couldn't find the price. I couldn't find the stuff. So at least with here, they do give me the prices. Thank you, Jesus. So I can, and everything comes in pounds. So if I say dollars, I mean pounds. Okay, so the first thing is from 111 Skin, and you guys know she expensive already. So this is a sheet mask. It's the Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treat Mask. And that puppy, I'm almost scared to look, is 20 pounds. Okay. The next thing is from lmao. This used to be my absolutely favorite skincare brand. Now, it's Glow Recipe, but I still love me some lmao. And this is the Pro Collagen Rose Hydra Mist. And this is 43 pounds. And anything that says collagen in it, yes, ma'am. So what I would do is put this on a cotton round and then like put it on my face. Let's see. It says directions. Close eyes, press pump slowly and firmly and mist over the face. Use after cleansing and throughout the day. So you can do that. I'd probably still use a cotton round, you know, but you could just spray it on. Alrighty. The next thing is from Ofra. And what are you? This is an eyeshadow palette. Okay. And no, it's not an eyeshadow palette. It says Signature Highlighting Palette for 26 pounds. Okay. I seen this here. You see how it has like 5? And I thought it was an eyeshadow palette. It says Signature Palette. So I don't know what that means. Looks like that. Yes, it is a highlighting palette. So you get 5. Ofra is my favorite highlighting brand. I love their formula. All right, so let's see what shades it is. Oh, and I don't have my no, I do have my glasses. That's right. They were downstairs, and my husband brought them up to me because I always forget them. I use these for reading, so let's see what it says. Okay, so we have the Star Island, Rodeo Drive, Bali, Pillow Talk, and Blissful. I don't know if I'll keep this, only because oh my God, I literally have over 100 highlighters. And even though I like this better, you have a nice mirror, and I like these better because I'll never go through like hit pan on a highlighting palette, so I like the minis, but I already have the full size, so I'm not going to swatch these. I'll definitely put this in a future giveaway for one of you guys. And how much was this? 26 pounds. Okay. The next thing is from Deuce. And this is a liquid matte lipstick. And this is, I don't see it on here. But Deuce is definitely expensive. In the shade Cupcake. 503 Cupcake. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at that. I don't think I've ever tried their lipsticks. All right, so that's the applicator. Oh, that's pretty. Do you know what I would use this for? Let me show you the color. And this right here, oh, this is like kind of like a mirror. See right here? I don't know if I would wear this shade like all over my lips, but I would definitely use it for the center to make my lips a little plump. You know what I mean? Definitely. All right, so I'm definitely going to get use out of that. The next thing is from Rodial. Now, you guys know she's expensive. She's definitely expensive. I found this brand through, I think it was Ipsy or boxycharm, one of them. This is the Dragon's Blood Eye Gel. And I am almost scared to look at this price. This puppy. Let me get my glasses on. You know I don't play around when I put my money glasses on. This puppy is 70 pounds. Oh my God. What in the world? Okay. I know this brand's expensive. I mean, I'm not shocked, but Jesus. And look how small. Look at that. I love this type of packaging. Let me just show you. So this is the kind that you just push down and then it comes out. What I like about this packaging, because then you have this little thing that pushes it up, so you use everything that's in here, but also you don't get too much out of it. You know what I mean? And that way it's not wasteful. I mean, for $70, you don't want to waste even a pump out of this thing. So anything for the eyes, yes. Like, so far, I'm most excited about this. And you guys know I always say I hate getting skincare. But stuff like this, I love. 70 pounds. Holy cow. Okay. The next thing is from Rodeo again. It's the Dragon's Blood. This is a jelly eye patch. So you just get one, I'm sure, to try. And this is not on here, I guess, because, you know, you just get one to try. Yeah. Okay. So you get 2 more items. So this is from Delilah. This is a lip liner for 20 pounds in the shade Pouts. I love lip liners. When I first got into makeup, I never wore lip liners. You know what I mean? Now it's like every day I have to wear one. All right, so that's what it looks like. Right here. Let's do a little swatchy swatch. Ooh, that's pretty. That's a nice fall color. And that feels creamy. You know, my favorite is Gerard Cosmetics. And I do have a code with Gerard Cosmetics. It's just in all caps. And you can save 30% off of everything on the site. But I love Gerard Cosmetics lip liners. But the reason why I brought it up, because this feels just like the Gerard Cosmetics. Except for the Gerard Cosmetics, you have to sharpen it. This is, you know, that you just push up, you know. Retractable. But this is gorgeous. Ooh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. And last but not least is from Prismology. This is a Rose Quartz Comforting Medium Balm. I don't even know what the heck that is. Would you be? Oh, this is a fragrance. Yes. Now, there is something. No, it's not. No, it's not. I don't think I got it. Okay. So I guess. Get it out, Ann. I just seen the price and I'm like friggin' stuttering. So you could have got a fragrance, but I don't have that in here. So maybe like, since this isn't on here, maybe you could have got like that instead of this, or maybe the Deuce, because I have a Deuce one I don't see on here. I don't know. But this puppy right here, whatever it is, I'm about to look it up, is 86 pounds. Wow. Okay, so that's what it looks like. And what up? Oh my God, it smells just like rose. Okay. Is this a mask? I don't know. Oh, it smells, I mean, wonderful. All right, so that's what it looks like. Let's put this back on. I have no idea what this is. I have no idea. And you would push it up through here. It's very like luxury and weighted. Let's see. What are you? I don't know. What I'll do is, I've been taking enough time on here. I will scan this and look it up, and I'll leave it in the description box to see exactly what it does. Okay, so let's recap everything that we received in this Cohorted box. So you have this with 89 pounds. Holy cow. And it's definitely feel weighted. It's so weird. It said, oh, I'm dropping stuff. It says like it's supposed to like help your endorsements, but like, what do you do? Because you put it on, it has like pigment to it. Maybe it's a lotion. Oh, it smells. I mean, if you don't like the scent of rose, you're not going to like this, but it's like a, I don't know. Okay, I'm stumped. Let me know if you know exactly what this is. All right, so we have this. We have a 111 Skin Sheet Mask. We have the eye jelly pads to try it. We have the Elemis Collagen Mist, which I'm really happy to get that. What else? We have the $70, was it? Eye gel. I'm happy to get that. We have the Deuce lipstick, which is right here. We have the, what was this brand? Delilah lip liner. That was right here. And then we have an Ofra highlighting palette. Like, everything's full size. And then you get the check your tits. It has pictures of what all boobs would look like. So weird. But what I do like about it, it gives you steps on how to check and stuff, which I think that's good. Alright guys, this is another great box. Like, I remember opening the very first box and I was like, I don't know. But as time went on, this one is getting better and better too. I know it is quite expensive, but I mean, compared to what we're used to, right? But I will tell you that it's always worth the value. I like, it's 289 pounds when it's, I think, what? 50 pounds or something like that. You get your value. And what I do like is they usually do curate with a different brand. I don't know. I just do like this subscription, you know. Let me know what you guys think. Would you pay this amount of money? Do you think it's worth it? And do you get it? Let me know down below because you know your girl's nosy. Alright guys, that's everything. Please thumbs up this video. It only takes a second and it really does help me out. Don't forget I do have a second channel called Just Anne's World. Why? Because it's all about my world. So if you want to get to know me more on a personal level, I'll leave the link down below. Check it out. We're on our road. What? We're on our road to 10K over there. And yeah, that's all. I have nothing else to say. Alright guys, stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, stay you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!